Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Roblox in parkour. Before we play rivals, I represent you to my account. It's my account, and I always play rivals, but I play Tower of Hell sometimes, but I don't like it anymore. I beat this like the insane insane troll tower slap. What is going on to my life? Fuck. What the frick? Okay, we're gonna play this game for you guys. But don't forget, bro. At the start of the game, we're already gonna get slapped, bro. But so you know me, guys. You don't know me, but I'm the best parkour god. I already beat this parkour one time, I think. Yep, I think. Oh yeah, I already did it one time. I used to wall hack before, but now. Yeah, I'm gonna slap him. Oh, no, I need it. Oh, no, bro, you're not getting from me, bro. Bro, dumbass. You forgot I know how to wall flick. Stupid dumbass kid. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I used to wall hack before. This is my story. I gotta tell you guys my story. I used to wall hack before, but now I just used to play obbies. But sometimes I play wall hack if I have a time only. Wait, my charger in my phone is just. Yep, oh, it's back. I need to. So as you know, I always used to wall hack, but now I don't. Cause before, the fuck? Before, I love wall hacking because I'm the best of the wall flick and wall hop. But now but I still know how to wall flick. What's this? I'm not even seeing it. Oh, it's a. I know. I used to play every game before, but now. Bro, ain't no way you're gonna throw me beginner. Sigma, oh, that's Sigma. Sigma, oh, wait. I'm not gonna throw, I'm just gonna try to beat this tower. I'm just gonna remove my slaps. So I don't wanna slap everyone. Oh, I thought that was a wall flick. I almost wall flicked that. Oh my god, I was scared. Come on, Sigma. Oh, yeah, you're dumb. I forgot, Sigma, you're not gonna clutch this. Everyone hates me before in my other YouTube channel. But now I come back for another. Because before I played Dead Rails. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I used to play Dead Rails before, but now nah, it's just boring. Dead Rails is just boring for me. Wait, I need to change my game. I'm lagging this game. Let's change our game. Let's see. Do you guys even play 99 Nights? I guess. Do you guys play 99 Nights? We're gonna play Rivals today. We're gonna play Rivals now because I don't really like obbies now because I used to love obbies, but now no. I love Rivals more than obbies. So as you know, I'm the best player in here. I'm just lag, sorry. Let's find out. Oh, level 43, that's me. Well, I'll take it. Let's use arena. Yep. 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 Let's go with the basic loadout of a noob. This is a basic loadout for noob. Oh no. Oh my god. Yep. Okay guys, I'm just a little bit nervous because this is my first time talking to you guys. I'm only new. I feel bad now for myself. I think I'm gonna make this. Bring it back. I'm gonna play that. Another one. What is this? Oh my god. I'm just insane. Life now, huh? I'm insane. Yo. Oh, easy 5-0. Easy 5-0. We're gonna win. So, friends, if you love this video, hit that subscribe button. And see you on the next video. Goodbye.